Well, the show will go on in Middletown tonight. One of the biggest fireworks shows in our state was postponed yesterday because of the weather. But the crowds are getting ready to cash in that rain check. News 8's Renee Schmiel is there as people get ready to celebrate, and it sounds like quite the celebration behind you there, Renee.
Hi, Brian. Yeah, as you can see, people are already gathering here. The band just started playing just a moment ago, and as you can imagine, this area is going to be getting pretty busy in the next couple of hours. And families have been coming out here since this afternoon to get a spot near the stage, and that's where they'll be able to hear the live music and later on watch the fireworks. There will be bands playing for the next couple of hours, playing salsa music and blues, and there are food trucks nearby as well. And all of this, as you said, was supposed to happen last night.
This is, I think, the third or fourth time since I've been in office that I've had to postpone a fireworks show, but I'm really glad. Even though we didn't end up getting particularly intense storms last night, it was hot, muggy, disgusting, with low cloud cover. This is much better. People are going to have a blast tonight.
The fireworks show is expected to get started around 9:30 and last about half an hour. And I'm told that 5,000 to 10,000 people are expected to gather around the city to watch that show. Live in Middletown, Renee Schmiel, News 8.